Hello, I'm recording our assignment 2, part 2, Unity 2D platformer for mobile. This is my image, my name, ID, and course code. So let's play my game. So this is my game app on the LD player. This is my start screen, instruction. So control player character using controller and defeat enemies. This is the enemy, my player, and pick up and save point and goal. So let's play. So this is my game screen. You can move around your player using this stick and jump button and attack button. So this is my save point, and there's my score and life. And this is my floating platform. This is pickup, and that's the enemy. So you can fight with the enemy. So you can avoid the enemy's attack like this, and you can hit the enemy and avoid, and of course you can jump to avoid. And you can kill the enemy and you get the point. And there's my another save point. So if I die here, I spawn from here. And this is my second platform, which is horizontally moving platform. This is my enemy again. And this is my third platform, which is vertically moving platform. This is my save point again. So this is my fourth platform, which is falling platform. So it falls after a few seconds when player steps on it. And this is my final platform, which is rotating with hazard. And this is my goal. If you reach the goal, it shows the game over screen, score and life bonus and your final score. If you press main menu, you go to the main menu and you can start a game. And my final thing is, if I die by the enemy, I die and respawn from the save point. Okay, that's my game demonstration. And let's see the code. So for the player, I got input in the update function, and this handle input gets the keyboard or joystick and decide where to move, like move to right or move to left. If I press the spacebar or J, which is for the keyboard, it jumps and attack. And when this attack function is called, I trigger the animator to trigger the attack animation. And for the enemy AI, in the fixed update, first it checks the distance from player. So if the player is inside a certain the distance, which is attack circle radius, it tries to attack. In the attack, it invokes the true attack after the attack force delay. So that enemy just not attack immediately, but there's some delay between the attack, so that we give the player the chances to avoid the attack. And then if the distance is far from the attack radius, it keeps moving, but it has to turn around if the enemy reaches the end of the platform. So there's a ground detection function, And this function, the this function is checking if there's a ground ahead the enemy, so that if there's no ground ahead, the enemy can turn around and go the opposite direction. And that's the for the enemy. And for the moving platforms, I just in the update function, you move to the certain moving point to another point. And it's already over 5 minutes, but I'm gonna shortly. So for the moving platform, I have this 2 point. So this 2 point is the where platform will move. For the vertical, I set the point in like in this up and down. Okay, that's my video. Thank you for watching.